Hi, hello, namaste, vanakkam, Sat Shri Akal. In this video, show you use and operating instructions for contact phase voltage detector for 6 kV to 20 kV voltage range. Firstly, I would like to show you how to phase voltage detector installation. Detector have two parts. First part have probe electrode, operating head, test probe, red ring, and indicator. In indicator have four numbers of AA batteries, one test button, and two lamps. Lamp 1 shows for no voltage, lamp 2 shows for detect the voltage. As shown, we have to test the detector kit. Both lamps are accessible and can be unscrewed. Both lamps are replaced with 3.5 volt 0.2 amp ratings. After checking the battery compartment and lamp condition, close the indicator rubber and tighten the 4 number screws. Now we will go for function test of voltage detector. Function test must be carried out before testing for safe isolation. By pressing the test button, the red lamp lights on. Pressing the test button and acoustic indicator gives an intermittent signal, and green lamps on when release the test button. The voltage detector is now ready for operation for about 40 to 60 seconds. Before the detector can be used for further tests, the test button must be pressed again and the function test performed. Now we can connect the insulated handle to the indicator. Please note that the testing for safe isolation can only be carried out as long as the green indication lights on. Equipment automatically gets off after 40 to 60 seconds. Now show you how to check the live voltage detection for safe isolation. Meaning of LED signal shows here. Green light lights permanently means voltage not present. Red LED lights permanently means voltage present. If green and red shows same time means batteries are flat. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.